What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I'm so excited to talk to you guys about this topic, and it is, should you take computer science courses in high school? Let's get right into it. The short answer is, it really depends. And it depends on three things. Number one, you. Number two, your teacher. And number three, your schools. Let me elaborate. Alright, so the main way you should probably determine if you should take a computer science course is asking yourself this question. What type of student are you? Are you a more self-motivated, self-starter, and you don't really need that much structure, and you know how to attack problems on your own? You have kind of like a problem-solving structure that you know when you see a problem, I'm going to attack it this way. Or B, are you more of a person who needs structure, you need an instructor, you need someone who's going to guide you through the problems, and you don't really like looking up answers to stuff online because it's not as helpful as a teacher talking to you. So quite obviously, if you more identify with A, I would say that you should incline towards taking coding classes online, and you'll probably get the same type of abilities as someone who's going to be coding in class. For me, at the start of my high school career, I was more of a B type student, where I need a little bit more structure, I need to understand how to attack certain problems, and that's totally okay. People who identify with A might just be a little bit more self-motivated, but that doesn't mean that A is better than B or vice versa. So that's regarding you. So once you know what type of student you are, you really have to explore what type of teacher you're going to get for your class. And this is even more important than what type of student you are. Alright, so next is teachers, and there are really two types of teachers that you have. And I've experienced this through middle school and high school. So the first one is kind of using an online textbook to guide you and following the teacher along as they solve certain problems in the textbook, and they give you exercises for homework that you have to solve on your own. That's number one. This teacher is going to guide you through everything, but in my experience, following an online textbook, it's really hard to learn. So the second type of teacher is more of throwing you into the water and seeing if you can float, seeing if you can understand certain types of coding problems on your own, and then basically guiding you through the thought process, but not guiding you through the way to code a certain problem. So they're not giving you the answers, they're giving you a certain way to think about the problem so you can answer it a little bit more easily. So the way you find out if a teacher is A or B is sitting in on a class. And you can totally do this in high school. I've done it several times, where you sit in on a class and see if a teacher's style is for you. And if it's not for you, that's totally fine. If there's another teacher available, then you can choose a different teacher and see how their teaching style is. It's really all about fit for computer science, because computer science is something that it's really hard to learn on your own unless you have structure. But when you're in school, it's also hard to learn because you really need a community, an environment where everyone's trying to achieve the same goal and people are going to help you with stuff. So it's really important to emphasize fit. Is the teacher good for you? Is the environment good for you? And are you ready to study in a class, or do you prefer just to study on your own online? Really, the last thing is your school giving you the best environment to succeed and learn to the extent you want to? And this includes giving you classmates that are passionate about computer science just like you, giving you the resources that you need, including desktops and software that you can run code on, and just giving you an overall environment where you, your teacher, and your classmates are all enthusiastic about computer science. And this is the most important thing. A lot of people contemplate how to learn computer science throughout their high school career, and I felt this video would give you guys who are still in middle school or going into high school an idea if you want to study computer science in a school environment or online, as there's so many resources out there and it's really hard to choose which one you're going to choose and learn code with. For those of you who are professional developers and work in the field, leave down in the comments below what do you think is the best way to learn coding. Thank you guys for watching the video. I appreciate you for watching until now. Make sure to like and subscribe down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.